Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon lang ako makakapag-intro and it's currently 11:33. It's Friday, April 12 and my class for today starts at 1 p.m. pa. And yung kaninang nire-review ko, that's for my pre-lab quiz kasi today is lab day. May experiment ulit kami for Anakem. So, it's finals na. And hopefully may bakasyon kami after finals. So anyways, I will be eating my lunch na, and my lunch is para tipid. And then I'll watch something while I eat because I can't eat without watching anything. After I eat, I'll probably take a bath na. So yeah.
Fries and some buffalo sauce, and I eat them. It's really good. And I love fries.
All done. Hi guys! So, hindi ako naligo kasi it's my first day today and medyo masakit siya. So, hindi ako naliligo pag ganun. Hindi ko lang alam if ako lang yun or baka may iba din dyan. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna go to school na. Medyo maaga pa. 12:38 and again my class is at 1 and yung building kasi nasa bungad lang siya, hindi naman siya yung mismong sa loob ng school ko, as in yung harap lang, yung nasa highway siya, harap siya ng highway, so kaya ko siyang takbuhin ng 1 minute. Ang ooy ng 1 minute, pero mga 3 minutes ganun lang siya kalapit sa akin, so medyo chill ako. So anyways, I'm gonna go na kasi andun na ata isa kong ka-groupmate sa lab, so talaga ba galing tayong relative error? Ganyan pala dapat. And it's currently 4:13 in the afternoon. And sobrang init. Diyos ko. Di ko alam kung Cavite pa ba to o impyerno. Nakikita niyo ba yung pawis ko, te? Grabe. Pero anyways, I'm still in my uniform, obviously. So I still have to change into may pambahay para comfy. And then I bought my merienda outside. I bought Butter's. You know the order. Cheers. Pero this is pagilid na pagilid. Ano ba? Gusto, dito na lang ako. My order, white chocolate mocha. Muntik ko na siyang kalimutan paano sabihin sa counter sa sobrang tagal kong wala here sa Dasma. Kaya guys, if you're wondering, parang ang tagal kong mag-upload ng college diaries, it's because medyo matagal yung naging break ko from midterms. Papalitan ko ng clothes, we'll rest for a bit, and then ito yung agenda natin for tonight. Mag-rewrite ako sa NBSI kasi kailangan ko i-transfer yung mga answers nung kagrupo ko dun sa worksheet kasi yun yung ipapasa tomorrow. Dali lang yun. And then, I'll also have to pass my PE. Nagawa ko na siya yesterday, pero dapat ngayon siya gagawin and ngayon din siya ipapasa. Pero, ginawa ko na siya yesterday nung nasa house pa ako sa Parañaque. And then, papasa natin siya ngayon. And then, mag-aaral lang tayo for NBSI. Very light. Kasi syempre, kababalik lang. Pag next week niya, books, gano'n naman yung mga gawain. So, yeah. Okay. I'm back. I'm changed. I'm a changed person. Charis! So, I wasn't actually supposed to film while eating. Since I think you've seen enough of me eating here sa setup na to. I really wanna talk about this specific topic. And I think kailangan natin siya mapag-usapan. Kasi eventually pupunta pa rin tayo dun. So like, why not talk about it now, diba? It's not that serious, but baka natatakot kayo. It's not that serious, but I just wanna, kasi recently, I've been active on IG, like posting question stickers, and then I'm so happy that a lot of you are actually engaging, but I'm so sorry I wasn't able to answer each and every one of them because masyadong jam-packed talaga. But anyways, that's not the point here. Kasi may mga nakikita akong questions and parang they're asking na, how are you so constantly productive? Parang, paano ba maging productive? Paano ba, like, sana all productive always. And then, alongside with that, I also get to see some other messages na parang, when they watch my vlog daw, they become inspired or parang naging inspired sila or motivated lalo para matapos yung task nila. Yung mga, parang, kasi syempre, parang, I think most of my audience are students din. So, parang we share the same struggles, we share the same settings, so on and so forth. But, the main thing here is that I am not always that productive. Trust me, I think this also applies sa iba pang mga content creators that you see on the social media. And I think kalat naman na yung phrase na don't believe what you see on online. Trust me, unique. Kahit nagre-record ako right now, yung glimpse lang talaga. Glimpse lang yung nakukuha niya. Kaya yung, if I'm gonna relate it dun sa bio ko sa Instagram, it's just a glimpse. Everything you see on social media is just a glimpse of someone's life. You're never gonna see it fully, trust me. Kasi hindi mo rin alam if totoo yung pinapakita nila. My purpose here on YouTube is to romanticize college in order for me to get through it with you guys. With bringing you guys along with me. Parang journey natin together and let's work hard together. Para ganun, let's romanticize it so that hindi natin maramdaman masyado yung pagod. I mean, this is college. It will make you drain. Wala nang ibang path, wala nang ibang way. It will make you drain talaga. Kung hindi physically, emotionally, kung hindi emotionally, mentally. And I'm also a person and nadidrain din ako minsan. Long story short, I'm not always productive. I'm not always like this. So, yeah. That's it. I'll eat. And then, I'll get back to you once we're studying. Diba, ang bilis magbago? Kasi sobrang gutom na ako, guys. Hi guys! So, it's currently 8:22 and tapos na ako mag-rewrite and magbasa ng PE. And actually, medyo nasimulan ko na mag-aral, hindi na talaga ako nag-vlog. So, right now, I'm eating my dinner, which is gyoza. Binili ko to as in, katabi lang siya nito nung dorm ko. As in, literal na magkatabi. Meron kasing tindahan here. Para siyang, I don't know anong cuisine. Pero basta, may tindahan dyan. And then, bumili lang ako. And then, baka mag-apple lang ako after ko mag-eat ng gyoza. And then, ayun. We'll go back to studying after eating dinner.
First time I saw her, she was really tired. She looked heartbroken.
I couldn't handle the glue from driving that many kids. And
He's been working with an informant, gathering information about the inner workings of the...
The total profit of objective function is determined by the sum of profits between 3 units of product 1 and 1 unit of product 2. So what is the total? And the next one is multiplicative. So we can multiply given product pwede yung
Iyan daw ko.
Kaso kasi, ang ano,
So, wala naman ng questions so far. So, okay. So,